Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizing my tiny laundry room. I am going to show you how to make the best use of a very limited space to try to make it organized and functional. I will show you what it looks like before, and I cannot wait to show you the after. Also, today's video is in collaboration with Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat. All her channel information is in my description box. You guys, I adore her. She is like my long lost sister. She is hilarious. Go over and let her know that Lynn sent you. And if you are from Jennifer's channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Since this is such a tight space, I am going to pull everything out of here before I start to work. If you guys end up cleaning out your laundry room, make sure to tag me on Instagram, and I love to share y'all's posts. So I have my new Instagram name. It is Miss Lynn White. Go over there. You will be able to find me. I would love to connect with you guys. Here is a quick view of what it looks like all pulled out. I left the pantry overflow stuff there. I'm not too worried about that. But everything else is on the counter and the table. Let me know in the comments below if your laundry room is usually a catch-all. It definitely is for us. And you can see I still have laundry in the dryer. The first step is I'm going to wipe down the shelves. These are shelves that my husband made for me. It was just an open area here, and we were going to put hampers all the way up, but I decided to go ahead and make it a overflow for the pantry because we have such a tiny build-a-grade pantry. It was perfect for that, and I love the way he did it. It was super affordable. It's just 2 wood planks stained and then some regular old L brackets. All the containers you see I purchased from Target at separate times a long time ago, and then I made the labels myself with my Silhouette machine. The items on the top shelf, I keep them up there because they are things that we do not grab for often, but some of the items can go ahead and be put in the garage, so that is what I just did. I'm now going to give my washer and dryer a really good deep cleaning. It gets really gross, dusty, and grimy up here, so I'm going to use my microfiber cloth, just soap and water, really warm water, and try to get everything nice and clean. This is something I've been needing to do for quite some time. Honestly, I see it all the time and I just don't do it, but it feels really nice to get in here and get all of the spots that have gotten so gross over years of use. So definitely just take a look at your washer and dryer, and I am sure you could definitely find some things to clean out. And honestly, it makes it more enjoyable knowing it's so clean. Okay, y'all, you know it is getting real when I start pulling out the Q-tips and really getting in all of the crevices. This is one of my favorite things to do. While really cleaning up everything, I noticed behind the door it was really yucky. So I went ahead and started to try to clean it, but then I realized I had to do it from the other side, and you can see it definitely needs some attention. This thing is so nasty. I just honestly overlook it because I'm just in the mode of doing laundry, but this was really, really bad. I cleaned every spot on here and it looks so, so good. I am now done cleaning the washer and dryer, and I'm going to sweep. I want to go ahead and sweep first because I'm able to get the baseboards and the tops of these stands, and then I will come in with my vacuum and get everything up. I hope you guys are getting some serious decluttering and cleaning motivation. If you are coming from Jennifer's channel, will you let me know in the comments below? I would love to just welcome you, and I would love it if you would subscribe and join my little YouTube family. The first part of this is done, the washer and dryer clean. Now it's time to go through everything and declutter, get rid of a lot of things we don't need, and put everything in its proper place. I also want to say, yes, that is a wet spot on my shirt, you guys. I spilled coffee on myself. I want to encourage you guys, if you are wanting to declutter or organize or even redecorate, always shop your house first. You do not have to get sucked into all of these amazing Instagram stories and buy new stuff. You can use what you have in your house and get super creative. I also want to encourage you guys to scour the Goodwill, hospice stores, thrift stores, and Salvation Army. The top I am actually wearing today in this video is from Salvation Army, and I get so many decor pieces from there. Now everything is decluttered and organized. As I've mentioned before, these bins, all three of them are from Walmart, and they currently still have them. They have held up very, very well, and I love it. This one here are all of my accessories for the vacuum. In the middle there, I have the heavy things like the overflow, hand soaps, dish liquids, all that. And over there are the brown bags, plastic cups, and things that I need, like disposable type of things. I have this dollar store trash can right here inside of this basket. Honestly, I just don't like the way the trash can looks alone, so I just stuck it in this basket. I've had this basket forever and I love it. Over here is a magnetic little holder. It is for a dry erase board for the markers, but I decided to put it on the side of the washing machine and put the bleach pens in it, and it works so perfect. I will probably spray paint it gold, but I love it. I used to have it on the other side, right on the dryer side, so when Chris came in, he would put his wallet in there, and it has been so good. Little tip, get magnetic stuff to hang on the side of your washer and dryer. It sticks and it is perfect for small spaces. Next, I just want to show you how well I clean the washer and dryer. It is so clean. I got all of the yucky grime off of the little rubber seal there. I cleaned the inside. It looks so good. I love the way it looks clean, and honestly, I don't know why I don't keep up with it better. Here is another side that I have a little command hook. This is for Ruby's leash, and our keys go there. This is also just a little blank area, and we keep our breakfast tray in there. We got that for our wedding as a gift, and I love it because my husband makes me breakfast in bed. Here is where I store my vacuum. I use this regularly, so I like it very close to me. Here is the kitty box. Don't need to get too much into this. These little things, I don't know what you call them, but I got them in a pack of 2 for $9 when I was doing my pantry a couple of months ago, but it did not work out in there, so I'm using it in here. And I just put some of my overflow cleansers in there. As long as they're sealed, I'll keep them right there. I also added a little command hook right there for her scoop. I don't like it sitting on the floor, so it just keeps it off the floor. It makes me feel like it's more organized. Then I switched out the canvas bin and put all of the dish towels in this dollar store bin. They have them year-round if you're lucky enough to find the same color. On the other side, I have some of our extra just garage towels and cloths, the ones we don't use in the bathroom but around the house. I like to store them there. And then on the other side, I have my e-cloths. Then I have this other rack here. I just don't know what you call them, undershelf rack, and I put my bounce sheets here. Let me know. I have been wanting to use the wool balls. What do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Then I have our detergent as well as our softener and our stain remover. I have been using the Persil Pro Clean. I really do like it. I'm just trying to use anything that's supposed to be really good but yet affordable. I don't think it's too affordable, so I might venture in trying to make my own. We shall see. But then I have my softener, my stain remover right there. I also have my bleach, and I have this high enough so the kids can't touch it. Then up here is my pantry overflow, like I had mentioned earlier. All of those containers are from Target. I purchased them many moons ago, and then I made the labels myself with my Silhouette machine. Then up here on the highest shelf, I have the spackle that has to be inside or it'll dry out in the garage. And then in this little dollar store, Aqua dollar store bin, I have some of my Keurig supplies, and then I have this vegetable cutter. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this laundry room deep clean, declutter, and organize with me. Honestly, it feels so much better and so much more open, and it gives me such good energy. If I've got to come in here so many times a day, it's nice to have it super clean. A lot of times the laundry room is something we definitely neglect, but if you've got to be in there, it feels good just to make it into just an extension of your home. Soon I am going to completely redo it, but in due time. Also, I use all super affordable items, but this time around I did not spend a dime, but everything was from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. So super affordable. You can do this. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you are new. I don't want you to miss a thing on my channel. Now I need to go out there and clean the huge mess I made. Let me know in the comments below. When you guys clean out and declutter and start organizing, do you just kind of like make a big old mess? Let me show you real quick. Yeah. Looks like my job is not done here. Right, Ruby? Say bye. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.